back into the bathrooms with the girl.
With a girl.
Yeah. They were kind of like floating and stuff.
Back in that bathroom?
Yeah. What? Wait.
What are you doing?
Oh
my gosh!
What? No. We're just praying. Like she's a nervous flyer, and she just got nervous during the takeoff and everything. So yeah, we just came in here to pray about it.
We're just praying.
Yeah. Did you want to join us?
Maybe not there, but.
Oh, okay. It was just quieter in here.
Do you want to come pray too?
Yeah.
I mean, I'd love to pray. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I mean.
Should we all go in?
Yeah, it's always good to pray on a flight.
I guess, yeah. We're just praying.
Okay. Well, I mean, there's a little more room out there. We could go pray at our seats.
Okay,
yeah.
let's.
Okay.
Just,
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.